We are Famished sisters and welcome back to our channel. Right now we are at a very interesting place. As you can see, we are on a football ground.
Yeah, so what will you do? Review this grass?
Yes, obviously. So this is grass, as you can see.
Please just shut up.
Come on, you just said we are going to review the grass, so I'm showing it to you how we review the grass.
How clever.
Okay, this is
How
some
clever.
pebbles that are there, which I
Oh
don't understand why
God.
they are there. So right now we are at American Tag, and we are over here for breakfast, which has an amazing spread, continental, Italian,
And
what
clearly
not,
all
just
of
name
this.
it. And clearly all of that. You can really play what your heart's out. There's football, basketball, and also have some nice brunch, breakfast, and anything. It's a really amazing place. Let
Come
us take
check
you
it
to
out.
it.
And finally, after playing so much, we're pretty tired. So here we are having food, deciding on
Finally,
food.
very famished. A lot
Famished.
famished. So let us decide what we would have. What do you want to have?
I want scrambled eggs.
I want some bread and toast.
No.
And also waffles.
Go for
and
waffles.
pancakes. And French toast. And Spanish
Dude,
omelette.
that's the whole menu.
But like I said, I am famished. Okay, let's do this. They have this tag breakfast over here,
Yeah.
which has like almost the whole of menu. Maybe we could try that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one tag breakfast and one waffles for us. That's it. Or should I order pancakes also?
No.
And
That's it.
the Spanish omelette.
That's it.
And I'm really famished. Okay. So here American Tag is located at Jubilee Hills Road number 11, and this place looks really amazing, cozy, and quite quirky. In fact, if you can see, there's this graffiti and there's that painting or some art piece behind me, which I don't quite understand, but it looks pretty amazing. And also during evenings, there'll be live screening of
Yeah.
sports and everything. So it's quite an amazing place to have and chill out, just hang out with friends, you know.
Now that looks amazing.
Right? It looks so good. So what all did you get?
There's scrambled eggs, baked beans, hash browns, grilled tomatoes, mushrooms, and toast.
Oh my god, that is a lot. I feel so hungry looking at it. It looks so good. And in front of me there is waffles with classic maple syrup. My favorite. All of us. So I'm drooling already. Let's just eat. Dig in. First time
Wait,
from
wait.
yours.
Wait, I forgot the main thing.
Wow.
Continue.
No, I'll just eat. I'm eating all of yours. Seriously, you're eating with a fork. It's a fork, alright?
I need to eat toast.
Still, have it with a fork. Such a neat freak you are. I'm having it.
Dude,
This.
you have your own
This.
breakfast.
I'm gonna have from yours only. I have this little. The scrambled eggs taste amazing, but I'm gonna add some pepper on it because I love pepper. Pepper's good. The scrambled eggs are soft, the way I love, and it just melts in your mouth alright. And paired it with the sorted vegetables over here, it's just good, really good. She loves hash browns. Let's get on with that. No, you can have that. I'm not gonna kill this. So this is an amazing looking waffle. It's crunchy, as you can see, and it's crunchy. I love my waffle crunchy.
Thank you.
And it's good. It's really good. You wanna have
Feed me.
I love
Okay,
it.
die. Okay, die.
So how did you like it?
Well, I like the scrambled eggs and toast, but then she didn't even let me eat the waffle, so I wouldn't.
Yes, I know. I'm good that way. So I like the scrambled eggs, and the waffle was the crunchiest of all. Okay, you should definitely come here and try that waffle, like now, just now. It is so good, and the crunch is just amazing. I can talk about the crunch all day, all right? You know, it's just like that crunch you get in the mouth.
I would.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
Okay.
All I can say, it's good. It's really good. And yeah, the scrambled eggs were the second thing that I liked over here. Other than that, I see that there is a nice extensive food menu, like lunch menu. I'm really tempted by the lasagna over here. Maybe next time we could come here and
Maybe
try
next
that.
time.
Maybe next time. Until then, keep watching our channel and do subscribe, and please like, share, comment and do everything whatever possible right now. Just go now.